some progress on the back of the van today. I need to get this chair shifted out of the way. But I've got the thin bit of flooring up. Some of the screws are underneath, that's why I couldn't see them. Some of them are rusted in. But there's definitely a leak in that corner, which is pretty bad. So I need to rectify that, clean all this up, treat all the rust, but actually it ain't too bad. And then Emma's gone shopping, so when she's back we'll get that moved and get this board out. I've got the side step out, Alessia's about to hoover it. And that's pretty clean under there. So when I go to change these brackets, you need to undo these two screws, and if I remember rightly on my last one, that was an absolute pig to get out, and this one is looking a bit rusty. So before I even think about doing that, I'm going to clean it up and soak it with WD-40. But yeah, not too bad under there. I've got a couple more screws that won't be coming out, so I'll have to try and pop around them. Under there ain't too bad either. And that's that corner. So it leaks there and there and possibly there, and then all drips down the bottom and soaks up into a little pool in that corner. So definitely need to do something with that window. But I'm actually pleased I managed to get it up without wrecking the plywood. But again, I will reuse this hopefully if I can get it out okay, because all these stains will be hidden anyway. So Alessia's going to hoover up this schmuck and then hopefully move that soon and get the rest of this out. Okay, so it's the following day. We got sort of rained off yesterday afternoon, it just hammered down all day, so we've managed to hoover up, clean up, apart from this corner, obviously where it's leaking, and I've got all the screws undone from this big bit of plywood. The screws across the back, I couldn't find them, they were screwed in from underneath, so I had to take the spare wheel out, get a little dirty and get that off. So with the next job, let's pull it out and see what hidden treasures we have underneath. So there we go, not too bad actually. It's a good hoover, good clean, but apart from the odd screw hole, which is easy to treat, not bad. Just that corner where it leaks from that window. Let's just get it cleaned up. So all cleaned up, looking a lot better. I've cleaned the inside of these panels as well, and actually ain't in too bad a condition. I'm actually quite impressed with it. Obviously I've just got to treat the little rust holes where the screws were. That's nothing major. I'll go over them with a bit of rust. It's a bit of an old bolt there from one of the seats, so I need to knock that out. Yeah. Looking too bad at all. So I'm going to let this dry out for a few days. hopefully the rain holds off a bit and I can sort out the leaks in these windows. Just waiting for some sort of all-weather sealant, and I'll sort the windows out and hopefully make it perfectly dry. Once it's fully dried out, I'll treat the rust holes, fill them up, paint over on both sides, and we should be good. So stay tuned for more videos. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you all soon. Thanks for watching.